TinkerBlock Series Premium Modular Aesthetics, integrating the tactile button for manual control. Connect GND to GND, then VCC to 5 volts, and signal to digital pin 2. NC internally isolated, leave it floating. Required 3-pin jumper wire, Uno R3, and the TK04 push-button module. Start by seating the jumper cable into the TK02. Align the pins. Next, terminate the ground wire to the Uno, followed by VCC to 5 volts and signal to digital pin 2. Ensure every connection is seated firmly. Interface via USB. First, assign the button to pin 2 and the LED to pin 13. Note, pin 13 drives the onboard LED, but you can also connect an external module for a better visual. In setup, we configure the button as an input to receive signals, and the LED as an output to execute commands. The loop scans the button state. When digitalRead detects a high signal, the LED triggers on. Otherwise, it remains off. Final step, select the correct COM port under Tools. Hit Upload to flash the firmware. With a 50 millisecond refresh, the system ensures a near-instant response. Whether using the onboard light or a module, the logic is confirmed.